Good morning, students. Today in this session we'll discuss 1 mark examples on matrices. So let us begin with the first example. So the first question is that if a matrix has a 5 elements, what are the possible order it can have? So here this question is very simple. We have to write multiplication of two numbers, different possibility, we should get it as a 5. Here it is a 5, so possibility is 1 is multiplied by a 5. 1 into 5, we are going to get it as a 5. And one more possibility, we can write this as 5 into 1. It's a reverse order, 5 into 1 as a 5 here. So it is a prime number, so only two numbers are possibility. One it is a row into column, another one is a column into row. Only two possibility we get it. Similarly, next question we have, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So two number multiplication, we should get it as a 24. So I start from a 1. 1 is multiplied by 24. I am going to get it as a 24. Next possibility, 2 table, I search 24. 2 into 12, 24, I am going to get it. So 3 table we have to search it. So 3 it's a 24, so we get it. So next we search for 4 table. 4 6 24, here we get it. So next we are going to get it as a 6 table. Just I reverse this order. So 4 into 6, I write it as 6 into 4. Next 3 into 8, I write it as 8 into 3. Next 2 into 12, I write it as 12 into 2. So 1 into 24, I write it as 24 into 1. So total 8 possibility we get it. So I have taken a 2 example. I made it very clear. This is a one possible question you may get it here. So another type of a question is you will be given aij. Here it is given I plus j square divided by 2. Then we have to construct a 2 cross 2 matrix, 2 cross 3 matrix here. So here the question is construct a 2 by 2, it is read as 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by aij equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2 it is. So I construct now 2 rows 2 columns matrix. So I get it as a11 1 2, next it is a 2 1, next 2 2. Then I use a formula. Here it is a ij equal to I plus j square divided by 2. I take I equal to 1, j equal to 1 as in a first case here. So I am going to get 1 plus 1, I is 1, j is 1. So square divided by 2, 1 plus 1, so it is a 2, 2 square is 4 divided by 2. So I am going to get it as a answer as a 2. Next a12 is there, I am going to write it that. Now I is, see in this formula we have to substitute. I is 1, j is 2. So we get a 1 plus 2 square divided by 2. So 1 plus 2 is a 3, 3 square is 9, 9 by 2 we get it. So further we cannot simplify, I write as it is. Next I calculate third element a21. So a21 it is. So I we have to take it as a 2, j as a 1. So I am going to get a 2 plus 1 square divided by 2. 2 plus 1 3, 3 square is 9 divided by 2. So further we have a last element a22. So a22. So I is 2, j is 2. So we are going to get a 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 square is 16, 16 by 2, we are going to get it as a 8. Now see, everyone you will solve up to this and you will stop it, so it is a wrong. Then further we have to simplify a11 a12, this value we have to substitute. A11 is 2, next a12 is 9 by 2. So in this formula we have to substitute. A21 it is a 9 by 2. Then A22 it is a 8. So if you write this matrix, this completes the complete solution of this particular example. So matrix A is 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 8 it is. Next, third question, I define it. So possible, you may get a definition. So define scalar matrix. Define scalar matrix. Then, so scalar matrix is defined as a diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if its diagonal elements are equal. So such type of a matrix we call it as a scalar matrix. So one more example we'll discuss it. Example number 4. Construct 2 by 2 matrix if A I j equal to I divided by j it is. So first we have to write 2 cross 2 matrix. So I call it as a it is A 1 1, A 1 2, A 2 1, A 2 2. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix it is. Further, I take this formula. In this I am going to take I equal to 1, j equal to 1 here. So I is 1, divided by operation is there, divided by 1. So we are going to get it as a 1. Next we will find A12. So I is 1, j is 2, divided by 1 by 2. Further simplification not possible, as it is we have to write it. Next A21. I is 2, j is what? 2 by 1, we are going to get it as a 2. Last value A22. So I is 2, j is 2. 2 divided by 2, we get it as a 1. So we get A value as A11 1, A12 1 by 2, A21 it is a 2, A22 1 here. So this is the required simplification for the given example. So I have taken different varieties of problems here. So you may get a define scalar matrix, diagonal matrix, such type of a question, or else so given a number, order we have to find out. Yes, so or constructing a matrix, such type of examples will come. So practice these examples. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you once again.